this is problem number 1, and it's called food order, and it says there are about 20 potatoes in a 5-pound bag. A restaurant uses about 2 potatoes per french fries. They charge 95 cents for an order of fries. How much money does the restaurant take in a day that they use 400 pounds of potatoes? So, for this problem, we use a strategy, solve an easier related problem, and I use cross multiplication, and I put 400 pounds over 5 pounds, and then x, which is represents the number of potatoes that we don't know, over 20 potatoes, and I multiplied 400 by 20 and then divided that by 5. So it's 8,000 divided by 5, which is 1,600, which I divided then by 2, which equals 800. Then I multiplied it by 95 cents, which is $760 total, and I used solving an easier related. We are doing problem number 2, CD player, and I'll start off by reading the question, and it says that the Carters were buying a new CD player. 3 stores have a model that they want to sell this week, and here are the ads. It says that Radio Shop's regular price was $200 and a discount of 20% off. Discount City's regular price was $180 and their discount was 30% off. And then Ralph's regular price was $210 with a discount of 10% off with an extra 20% off. And then his questions asks, which store will give Carter's the best buy and what will the price be? Show all the steps and label your answer. So for this problem, we use a strategy of solving a related problem. And I first started off with just stating like which store had like what price and what discount, and I kind of just gave the answers. And then, but for my work, I did 200 times 0.2, which is like the decimal of the percent, like 20%, I just did 0.2. And then I got 40, and I subtracted that 40 from 200 and got 160 for the total price, like the final price. And then 180 times 0.3, which equals 54. Then I subtracted that from 180 and got 126, which was the final answer for Discount City. And then 210 times 0.1 equals 21. Subtract that from 210, which equals 189. Then I took that answer because there was also an additional 20% off for Ralph's. And then got 37.8. I subtracted that from 189 and got a final total of $51.20. We came to the conclusion that Ralph's was the best because there was the cheapest, which was $51.20. And lastly, we just used solving an easier related problem to solve this.
Woo! Yeah.
Problem number 3, room blueprint, and it says use 1/4 inch graph paper to make a scale drawing of your room. Use the scale 1/4 inch, to 1 foot. And so this is a drawing, and this is Asia's room, and it's 9 feet by 5 inches. 9 feet 5 inches by 16 feet. And we used the draw diagram strategy, and we measured her room, and like I said, it was 9 foot 5 inches by 16 feet.
Okay, so this is number 4, basement flood. On one Sunday in June of 2012, there was a great storm. Mr. Yi's basement got flooded. Mr. Yi wondered just how much water had to be cleaned up with his shop vac that held 12 gallons of water. He knew that there were 7.48 gallons of water in 1 cubic foot of water, and that he had 2 inches of water in the backwards L-shaped section of his basement. How many gallons of water were in this basement, and how many times did he have to empty his shop shack back? So, this problem we just drew out. We used the strategy of drawing a diagram, and we drew out the L in the box, and then we separated it and showing you actually how many inches and all that good stuff. And for this problem, we used drawing a diagram. I figured out the area, then multiplied it by 2. Then converted the inches into feet. Then divided 7.48, got the answer. Then divided 12 gallons, got the final answer, total of 112 trips.
Okay, this is problem number 5, and it says, Abed ate 100 Oreos in 5 days. Each day he ate 6 more than the day before. How many Oreos did he eat on the first day?
So for this problem, we used the guess and check strategy, and we set up a table. And to solve this problem, I set up a table to show how many Oreos Abed ate each day. I started with 8, as you can see here, and then I added 6, which got 14, added 6 more, which got 20, added 6 more, which got 26, added 6 more, got 32. Then I added 8 plus 14 plus 20 plus 26 plus 32 together, and I got 100. So that was the correct answer. And then I just put down other guesses that were wrong, but we had to add 3. So yep, that's how we got this problem, and the answer was 8, that he ate 8 on the first day.